I'd started feeling sickly. I went to the doctors and they said it was stomach acid, gave me some tablets. Probably about 4 months after that, I started getting really severe abdominal pains and stomach pains in the night, and I was told I'd got really bad indigestion. At the end of July, I was really, really ill, and my husband looked at me and he went, "Your eyes are really yellow." Went to the doctors, they did a blood test, and then they suggested that I actually go to see a liver specialist. Had an MRI scan, and by that time my body was bright yellow, and they said that it was actually a blockage in the pancreas. I saw a pancreatic surgeon that I'd been referred to, and he said that it was a tumour in the bile duct within the pancreas. To get rid of the blockage, they would have to do a major operation called a Whipple's procedure. It was a very long operation, very risky, but that was the only way that they could actually remove the tumour. It was 7 weeks after the operation, I went through to see the oncologist. They said, well, there's no actual chemo designed for your kind of cancer that you've had at the moment. They were pretty certain they've got everything removed. So they said they will give me a chance to go on what's called a bill cap trial. Patients are divided. 50% will receive chemotherapy and 50% will receive monitoring. The trial would run for 6 months and then continue to be monitored for up to 5 years. On the 12th day of taking the chemotherapy, I was really struggling, especially when I woke up. I was really my breathing was very laboured. I couldn't get my breath. My husband rung St James's and straight away they said, bring her straight in. As soon as I walked through the door, they'd got some antibiotics ready, did some blood tests, came back and said, well, it looks like the chemotherapy's actually making your arteries to your heart constrict. You need to stop the treatment straight away. So at that point, they stopped all the chemotherapy, and they said there was nothing else that they could really offer me. But I would continue to see my oncologist, have CT scans every year, and also blood tests. So I thought, well, if I get to a year, I've done well. If I get to 2 years, I've done well. So the 5-year trial finished last November. I'm still here to tell the tale. Every day's a bonus. We plan things now. We've travelled through the Rockies. We've done all sorts, and we've now got a beautiful grandson. It was lovely to see him, yeah, and it still is now. It still is now, yeah.
If you have any questions about clinical trials or pancreatic cancer, call the Pancreatic Cancer UK support line and speak to our specialist nurses on free phone 0808 801 0707 or email support@pancreaticcancer.org.uk. You can also visit our website at pancreaticcancer.org.uk/clinical trials.